Hello friends, I am Priyanka and welcome to your own channel, The Study Fight. We all wish to get high percentage in every exam and want to get successful and also wish to make our parents proud, isn't it? We try harder and harder to focus, but still feel that we can't pay attention in our studies. Also now, we are facing so many distractions like computer, TV, mobile games, social media, etc. What if this mobile becomes useful for scoring highest of all the time? So, today you are at perfect place where you will get some ideas to increase your score to 95% by using just your mobile. Today I am going to tell you about these 5 amazing apps which will help you to score. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe fast. Press the bell icon. Also watch the video till the end for a bonus tip. Let's get started. App number 1, I can't wake up alarm clock. There are many times when we decide to get up in the morning but we fail to wake up, and so our next schedule changes completely. It lowers our self-confidence and we can't even devote enough time to our work. The solution to this is I can't wake up alarm clock app. This app not only helps you to wake up in the morning, but at the same time, once you wake up, it also takes care that you will not fall asleep again. This app is so amazing that when you wake up in the morning, you have to upload photos of some things you have pre-decided, or you have to solve some easy maths problems so that your brain starts working and your sleep flies. App number 2, Study Bunny app. Friends, it often happens that we sit down to study or do any work, and often we do not understand how long we have done our work. It makes us irritated. In the same way, we set the target for the day, but because we are not in the habit of evaluating the time properly, we do not succeed in that task, and this led to resentment. But now, a simple solution to this is Study Bunny app. This app not only records time but also records how much work you have done during the day, week and month. For example, if you practice maths for 30 minutes a day and read for 15 minutes a day, this board will show you how much time you have spent on your work. With this app, you can also plan the time you are wasting. For example, if the language paper is taking longer than the scheduled time, or the math paper is being done ahead of time, then you can take the review with this app and make further progress in yourself. In Study Bunny app, you can make your own to-do list by which you can list out what works you have to complete in that day. Also, you can use the flashcards in the Study Bunny app to remember different types of formulae or dates or some other things which are mentioned in your textbook. This will help to increase your memory power also. App number 3, App Block. Friends, nowadays where distractions like TV, mobile, internet are in front of us, it becomes very difficult to focus on work, isn't it? However, we try to concentrate on our work, but due to continuous notifications, our mind does not work, and in the end, we spend a lot of time on mobile and social media in vain. But now, you can use your mobile to discipline yourself. Use App Block for that. This is an app that blocks the rest of the attention-grabbing apps as scheduled, so that even if you feel like use those apps, you can't open them, and so we can spend most of our time hospitable. Not only this app blocks the attention-grabbing apps, it also blocks certain sites so that you can't use any social media by their sites also. You can use this app while your lecture is going on or during self-study. You just have to set time, location or Wi-Fi connection setting, and now you are free to use your time wisely. It may bother you a little at first, but once you experience the change in your study time by using the App Block and Study Bunny app simultaneously, you will be super happy. App number 4, White Noise Generator. You may be wondering that you need silence for study. Then why this noise app? But friends, don't go by the name of this app. This app is of great benefit to you. Most of the time, everyone complains that when they want to do some work, they never get a peaceful surrounding. There is always some or other distractions, so my attention is distracted and I can't finish the work. This app is for some people like that. There are a lot of different sounds in this app, like the sound of rain, the sound of the river, the chirping of the birds, the waves of the sea, etc., which allows you to quickly focus on a task. Let me explain you. When our brain listens to similar types of sound for at least 5 minutes, it quickly adapts to that sound and we can focus on the results quickly. App number 5, Mindomo app. Not only focus and recitation, but also understanding and practice are equally important for getting good marks. The easiest way to practice is to create a mind map. In the concept of mind map, you can easily remember the biggest questions, different dates, events, issues, etc. For this purpose, you can use Mindomo app. This is a very simple app that allows you to create a mind map of the lesson you want to understand, and if you read as a revision during the exam, you can enjoy reading the whole lesson pretty much in few minutes. Hey, try these apps and let me know in the comment section which app you like the most. Just go in the description for the link of the apps and download it from the Play Store. Now it's time for the bonus tip. Dear all, in addition to using these apps to get 95%, reading your books is equally important. It is also important to take a healthy diet so that your brain and body are always ready to work. That's it for the day. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Also comment me in the comment section if you want any such videos related to your study fight. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends and relatives, as this will give me more motivation to make such videos. Thank you. Till we meet the next time, keep doing the study fight.